Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta in the shop. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor. So it's located in the air filter box, which is, once you open the engine compartment hood, you'll find it in front of the driver's seat. Here's your air box, and this is the mass airflow sensor. So they wrap it in tape to stop people from, they don't want anyone really touching it unless they have to. It's just something that I've noticed Fords do a lot. So the red tab here is a safety lock. So you lift up on it, and even though the tape is there, you still can push down and lift up. Always check your connector for anything that you have that's electrical, because it might not be the part that's faulty, or the part could be faulty due to the connector. So I have no melted prongs in there. It looks pretty good. Tab's still there, so it wasn't loose. Just set that aside. Now the Torx bolts that hold it down are a T20. I'm going to grab my T20 screwdriver, place it in there, break it free. Remove both mounting bolts. Now we can grab the mass airflow sensor and slide it out. And there you have your sensor. Examine the prongs, make sure there's no melted, nothing got heated up. This is a circuit board, so that will get, sometimes they go faulty and you can see burn marks. In this case, this one's good, so we're going to reinstall it, but if you had a code for it and you wanted to choose to replace it, at this point you'd put the new one in. There is a lineup. There's two pins here on top of the bolts. So line these keyways up here, place it down flat. If I did it the other way, let's see if it goes. It doesn't sit down flat, and the mounting holes don't line up. There you go. Get your two mounting screws. I'm not going to tighten it till the other one's in. You want to make sure it's snug. Give it a good 1/8 of a turn, 1/4 of a turn. You don't want any water getting in past that seal. Our connector, line it up, snap it down, and then push down the red tab to lock it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.